Hello everyone, I've got something a little bit different for you today, and today's tutorial is going to be shoe clips. So you can attach bows to these shoe clips, you could attach any embellishments such as hearts, you could use pom-poms, imagine wedding shoes like a white wedding shoe with a white satin bow attached, or even a big sparkly gem. You can really bling up a plain black pair of shoes and make them match any outfit. Even flip-flops, you could attach flowers, butterflies, anything you like. So these are the shoe clips. I will link everything that I use in this video in the description below, so just press on the title of the video and that will bring up all of the links. I've got some glittery hearts cut out here for my shoe embellishments today, and these are cut out from a chunky glitter fabric, and I used a die cutting machine to cut these out. They are 2-inch across and 2-inch tall. If you don't have a die cutting machine, you could go online and find a heart shape and size it to the size you want and then print it out to use as a template, or you could probably find a template quite easily enough in a craft shop. I will try and link some in the description below if I can find some for you. So yeah, these shoe clips, as I said, I will link these in the description below. You can get them in different sizes. I believe these ones are 14mm wide. But yeah, I got these in a big bag with about 50 in. You can buy them in just bags of 10. This is what they look like. So this is the side that go inside the shoe, and this is the side your embellishment sits on. So you'll open the clip up, you'll slot it in your side of your shoe wherever you want it, and then close it so that the embellishment on this side is showing. I will show you at the end what they look like on the shoes. And yeah, you will need two, obviously one for each shoe. So to start with, I'm going to flip my embellishments upside down because we're going to stick the clip on the underside, making sure my clip is the right way. So where this opens like that, where it attaches to the shoe, you want the flat side attached to the back of your embellishment. If I stick this at the top, the shoe is going to be in line with the top of the heart. So I like to bring mine down a little bit so that when I clip it on my shoe, this top of the heart here is going to sit just above the shoe line where it's clipped onto. So about 1/3 of the way down, almost halfway down but not quite, is where I want my clip. And then I've got this piece of felt which I've cut from some scrap. I've made sure that it doesn't overhang the edges of my heart, and I'm going to sandwich this clip in between the fabric and the felt using hot glue. You can sew these onto your bows. If you make bows, there's holes in here to sew them on, but obviously it won't work with these hearts. And yeah, I've found that this felt method works brilliantly. So taking my hot glue gun, I'm going to apply some glue all the way down the length of this piece of felt. And then making sure that the clip, oh, now I've lost it. Making sure that the clip is still where I want it to sit. I'm going to stick that over the clip. So making sure it's not too high up over that clip because you want it to be able to open and shut still. So I'm just checking that I can still open and close it with that felt on there. And I'm just pushing it all down, all the way around that clip. And as you can see, it's really secure in there. That's not going to go anywhere. So yeah, that is a really easy way of doing these. And like I said, you can attach these to anything. They could be flowers, Christmas embellishments, anything you like. So now we need to do the other one. So I'm going to use my first one as a guide to get these even. So I want this to be the same height and obviously central. So lining it up to where I'd like it to sit, taking my second piece of felt and applying some more hot glue along the length of the felt. And again, sandwiching that clip in between. Just making sure it stays where I want it to sit as I stick my felt over, and then pushing it down all the way around that clip to hold it securely in place. And yeah, it really is as simple as that. These are now ready to clip onto any shoe. Obviously, if you made bows, that would take a little bit more work because you'd have to make the bow first. And as I said, you can sew these onto bows, or you could just do the felt method, but I think probably with bows the sewing method is better. I once made some leopard print bows, and I wore a leopard print dress, and I took a plain black pair of shoes and I stuck the bow sort of on the side of these black shoes, and I had so many compliments. They're such a good idea. In fact, what I'll do is I will link some different ideas in the description below for you, some different products of what you can attach these clips to. So, for example, satin ribbon. I think satin ribbon bows look really gorgeous on shoes. And also you can get those like big rhinestones, like unfinished sort of ones that you can buy, which people use for jewellery making. And they look good to bling up any plain shoe. So yeah, I'll link some different ones in the description below. So now I will show you these on some different shoes that I have. So I've got a red pair of shoes here to actually match my red heart, and I'm just going to show you how these completely change the look of these plain red shoes. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And as you can see, the heart sits just above the shoe line. You could also attach it to the side of the shoe, which is a position that I use quite a lot with these clips. I've got a plain black pair of sandals here now, so I'm going to pop the clip on the middle of these first of all, just to show you how this can completely change the look of a plain black pair of sandals. So imagine wearing a red dress, and then yeah, you can attach this red heart to bring out the red in the dress. Again on the side, that is a look that I love. Or you could even use the ankle strap of these shoes, so I could clip this onto the side of the ankle strap so they sit on the outside of the front of the leg, like that. You could even pop it on the back of the ankle strap so that when you're walking people can see behind your embellishment or bow, whatever you've got on your shoe. And these are examples of bows all clipped onto the front of a plain black pair of shoes. As you can see, the plain black shoes can just look so different and match any outfit. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you press the bell button, that will turn on notifications, and I'll be back again soon with another tutorial. Bye!